Hello students, let's move for the ninth sum in the exercise 5.3. In the figure 5.27, AB and CD are the two diameters. This AB and CD are the two diameters of the circle perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular. Perpendicular in the sense 90 degree each other, and OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. This is the OD. OD is the diameter. This completely is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA, so this OA is 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region in the sense this segments, these two segments plus area of this circle. Okay, so this region want to find out. So they only has given diameter, OA is 7 centimeter and this is also 7 centimeter. And this is 7 centimeter diameter and this is 7 centimeter because O divides equally into 4 halves. Okay, so that's why we have to take now first. For this I told you already, area of shaded region should be area of a circle plus area of the segment and area of this segment. Clear? So first we have to find out the area of segment and area of circle. Area of segment, you know the formula, that is the area of sector minus area of triangle ABC, right? Okay, so for this we have to take first the area of triangle, anyone, BOC, area of triangle BOC we have to take. The area of triangle formula, you know, that is half into base into height. Okay, half into base should be, so that is OC, into height will be OB. Okay, half into, so the base OC is also 7 meter, I told you already, 7 centimeter, and this is also 7, nothing but 7 into 7, half into 7 into 7, nothing but 7 sevens are 49 divided by 2. 49 divided by 2 in the sense 2 20s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 24.5 24.5 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. Next we have to find out the area of sector. Area of this sector. Area of sector formula you know already, that is the theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so theta, that angle should be always, it should be 90 degree, you know that, divided by 360 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r. R we didn't find out here because r is the what OA, this thing as given, that is R. Here yes, R will be 7 only, so that is 7 into 7. For the smaller circle R is 7 divided by 2. Here R for the bigger circle should be 7. 1 7 1 7 cancel, 1 0 1 0, 9 1s are 9 4s are, again from 2 2 2s are 2 11s are, so 2 5s are 10, one reminder, 2 5s are again 5.5, so 7 into 5.5 or 55 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38, 38.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector, area of sector. Next we have to find out the area of segment. Area of segment, so you know the formula for area of segment, that is the area of sector, area of sector minus area of triangle, area of triangle BOC. Okay, whether we have taken BOC or AOC, both the triangles are same. For both the segment, this segment and this segment, the same answer. Area of sector is 38.5 minus area of triangle is 24.5. So that should be 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 5 4 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 4, 1 14, 14 square centimeter. Area of segment is 14 square centimeter or 14 centimeter square. In the same way, area of this segment is also 14. Area of same, no, it is measurement, so that's why area of another segment is also similarly area of another segment, that is 14 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of circle, I mean area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle, you know the formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. Okay, so pi r square in the sense pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is 7 by 2, nothing but the 3.5 into 3.5. 7 0.5, 7 5s are 35, it should be 3 this should be y, it should be 3.5, r equals 7 divided by 2, that equal to 3.5. Here area of smaller circle, because diameter is 7, so 7 I wrote here. Okay, so that should be divided by 2. So 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. So first we have to do first 3.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. So point, here one number, here one number, leave now two numbers and put 1.75 into 22. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Again the same will be, because we are multiplying with the same number. 3 plus 5 is 8 3. So here point after two numbers, leave two numbers and put a point. 38.50. Area of smaller circle is 38.50, nothing but 5 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, so that should be area of smaller circle, smaller circle plus area of two segments, two segment. So area of smaller circle we got 38.5 plus area of the segment we got 14 and one more is 14. 38.5 plus 14 plus 14 28. So you should add 38.5 28.0. 5 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 66.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Hope you will understand this. That is the 66.5. Okay, let's move for the next sum, 10th sum. It is the 10th one. Let's read the sum. The area of an equilateral triangle, this is the equilateral triangle, I mean all the sides are equal, ABC, is area only they has given 173, it is, I mean 17,320.5 centimeter square, with each vertex of a triangle as a center. Each vertex having a center of the circle is drawn with a radius is equal to the half of the length of the sides of the triangle. This radius is equal to the, this radius, okay, equal to the half of the length of the half of the length of the sides of the triangle, I mean side, or how much is there, that in that half it should be. Okay, so we can get here, if I mean if it is a 14, this radius should be 7 7, like that, half of the length of the sides of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. So we want to find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region in the sense, this is the shaded region. Sorry, here I didn't shade. So this area we want to find out. Hope you will understand this. Okay, this area of shaded region, it should be in the area of triangle ABC and the area of three sector. This three sector, 1 2 3. Okay, this shaded region in this middle. Okay, area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 sector, we will get this shaded region area. Okay, so let's calculate for this area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC, which triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. So that's why the formula will be root 3 divided by 4 into side square. Okay, area of triangle ABC, they only has given how much it is, 17,320.5 into equals root 3 divided by 4 into side we don't know, write as it is, side square. So if we do the cross multiplication here, we got root 3 into side square into side square equals 17320.5 into 4. So side square equals 17,320.5 into 4 divided by root 3. Okay, students, here the value of root 3 will be 1.73205. 17320.5 into 4 divided by the value of root 3 will be 1. Note down this, 1.73205. This is the exact value of root 3. You can check in a calculator or in a system. 1.73205. Why I have taken here? Because to cancel this. So if we remove the decimal here, so that will become 173,205. Okay, and here point of into 4 or into 173,205. here point after 1 2 3 4 5 number zeros are there, put 5 zeros. Point after 5 numbers, put 5 zeros into 4 divided by, to remove this here point after 1 number is there, put 1, remove the point decimal and put 1 0. Hope you will understand this. Here point after 5 numbers are there, put 5 numbers. To remove the decimals, to remove the decimal in a denominator, to remove the decimal in a numerator, point after 1 0 is there, put 1 0 in this into 4. So 1 0 1 0 get cancelled here, and 173,205, that should be 1, it should be 1 up to here. Next 1 2 3 4, write 4 zeros. So it will become a 10,000 into 4. So 10,000 into 4, nothing but the 40,000. 40,000. Side square equals 40,000. So side square equals, we can write 40,000 as a 200 square, because 200 into 200 is 40,000. Okay, square square get cancelled. Side equals 200 centimeter. I mean one side of a triangle we got here. So this is 200 and this is 200 and this is 200. Okay, because it is a equilateral triangle, so that's why all the sides are equal, and radius should be, that's half, I mean 200 divided by 2. Radius equals 200 divided by 2, that half of the sides they has given, so that should be 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 centimeter. Let's find out the area of the sector we required here. Like that 3 sectors are there. If you find out one sector, we can take all. Okay, I mean area of 3 sector. Area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So student, you have to know about that equilateral triangle. The angle would be 60 degree. Here it is also 60 degree and here it is also 60 degree. So we can take here theta 60. 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 100 into 100. Right? Okay. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6 6 are 36. So next will be So this 22 by 7 we know that 3.14. Let's divide 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 more, it is 6 ones are 6, 40, 6 6 are 36, again 40, 6 6 16.6. okay, this is 3.14. so next will be 3.14. 16.6 into 100 should be 166 only, number and 20. so point after one number, leave one number and put a point, that is the 1660 into 3.14. 60 into 3.14. 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26, 2, 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. next will be same, 1 zeros are 1 6 are 1 6 are 1 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4, 0, 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 21, 2, 1 plus 9, 10, plus 2, 12, 4 plus 1, 5. so here point after two numbers, leave two numbers and put point. 5212, 5212, I mean 5212.4 centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Next, in the same way, area of 3 sector we required. Area of 3 sector, 1 2 3. 3 sector is 3 into 5212.4 equals 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. leave one point, 15637.2 centimeter square, 15,637.2 centimeter square. Next we have to find out the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, I told you already, it should be area of triangle minus area of 3 sector. 3 sector. okay, so this area of triangle we got here. So they only has given area of triangle, that is the 17,320.5 minus area of 3 sector 5212.4. so let's subtract 17,320.5 minus 5212.4. 5 minus 4 should be 1, 10 minus 2 is 8, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 7 minus 5 2 and 1, 12,108.1. 12,108.1 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Hope you will understand this. Thank you.